Started.
Chalo, go ahead.
Start.
Good evening to one and all. I welcome you all to celebrate the World Humanitarian Day 2020. Now I would request our Professor Samita Sen Gupta ma'am to start the event.
Good afternoon, good evening to all of you present over here. Now today is 19th August. It's a very auspicious day because on this specific day, many eminent workers in all over the world have sacrificed their life towards a noble cause. And on this relation, we can observe that within our country also, some workers are there who have sacrificed their lives. But before that, before going into the detail, let us analyze what is the meaning of sacrifice. It involves mental toughness, which are Spartacism with the quality of the immolation or offerings. And with this note, Women Development and Empowerment Cell of KES Shroff College welcome you all on this special occasion through which Women Development and Empowerment Cell will be paying homage and tribute to our great workers and so-called great warriors who have sacrificed their life during COVID-19. And specifically, when we discuss about all this sacrifice of workers' life, the first picture and the glimpse comes to our mind is the police personnel. Then we can remember the face of doctors, health workers, and nurses, and also we can remember the faces of the normal social people. Many residential peoples also have helped and sacrificed their life during COVID-19 for the other people. So thank you to all, and also over to you to Purvi.
We will now see a documentary on our Corona warriors.
याद रखा जाएगा उन लोगों का नाम जो देश पे जब आँच आई तो सामने जा खड़े हुए। याद रखा जाएगा उन लोगों का काम जो देश पे जब आँच आई तो सामने जा खड़े हुए। जब घर पर लोग बैठे थे तो ये जांबाज तैनात थे, अस्पताल में, सड़कों पर, दुकानों में, आपकी और हमारी हर जरूरत पूरी करने के लिए। ना है औजार, ना कोई मदद, पर फिर भी ये जाबाज डटे हुए हैं कोरोना के सामने, ताकि आप और हम और हमारा ये देश रहे स्वस्थ और सुरक्षित। कूड़ा उठाने से लेकर मरीज को मौत के दलदल से खींच कर लाने तक आज देश ने जान लिया है अपने असली हीरोज को। ये वो नहीं जो फिल्मों में आते हैं या सोशल मीडिया पर दंदनाते हैं। ये वो नहीं जो करोड़ों पाते हैं या फिर अपनी हर जरूरत पूरी कर जाते हैं। ये वो हैं जो कभी नजरअंदाज तो कभी बिना किसी शुक्रिया के रह जाते हैं। पर आज नहीं, अब से नहीं, सलाम है उन्हें, प्रणाम है उन्हें जो अपने परिवारों से दूर, औजारों से महरूम, अपनी परवाह किए बिना खड़े हैं हर मुसीबत का सामना किए देश को इस महामारी के प्रलय से बचाने के लिए।
Now, I request the students of KES Shroff College to speak a few words. I request Khushi Kotari to speak a few words.
હેલો, મારું નામ ખુશી કોઠારી છે. હું થોડુંક આપણા કોરોના વોરિયર્સ માટે બોલીશ. અમારા જીવનને એક મોટી શ્રદ્ધાંજલિ આપણા વીરતાઓએ બચાવી છે. તેઓએ આપણા દેશને ગૌરવ આપ્યું છે. તેઓએ ક્યારેય તેમના પરિવારોની પરવા નથી કરી, કારણ કે આ સ્થિતિમાં ભારત તેમના માટે એક જ કુટુંબ હતું અને તેમની ફરજો ખૂબ સારી રીતે નિભાવી છે. આને માટે આપણું દેશ આ લોકો માટે યુનાઇટેડ ઊભું છે અને રાષ્ટ્ર તેમની સાથે ઊભું છે. મારો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર.
Thank you so much, Khushi. I would now request Manan Veera to speak a few words.
Good evening to one and all here. I am Anand PM. Would like to give my tribute. Humanitarians, but also nurses, hospital workers, peace officers, and many other employees who are involved in the betterment. But during these times, they are not only humans but also help animals. Our obsession with heroes and superheroes since the dawn of this culture. This campaign who are even more worthy of admiration and celebration. Why? Because they are real. Thank you.
Thank you, Manan. Now I would request Ronak Rathod to speak a few words.
नमस्ते, माझं नाव रौनक राठोड. माणुसकी म्हणजे प्रेम, माणुसकी म्हणजे जाणीव, माणुसकी म्हणजे माणसाने माणसाची केलेली कदर, समोरच्या व्यक्तीच्या केलेला आदर. माणुसकी म्हणजे निस्वार्थपणे माणसातील माणूस ओळखून पुढे केलेला मदतीचा हात. थँक्यू.
Thank you, Ronak. Now I would like Anjali to speak a few words.
सभी शिक्षकगणों को मेरा सप्रेम नमस्कार. मेरा नाम अंजलि यादव. आज मैं जिस मुद्दे पर बोलने जा रही हूँ कि कौन है सच्चा योद्धा इस कोरोना के समय में. अस्पतालों में काम करने वाले डॉक्टर्स बहुत अहम भूमिका निभा रहे हैं. उनके साथ उनकी मदद करने वाले स्टाफ, नर्सेस तथा साफ सफाई करने वाले कर्मचारी, उनकी भी भूमिका सर्वव्यापी है. सबको जगह जगह जाकर जागरूक करने वाले पुलिस, नियम कायदा बनाने वाली सरकार तथा म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के वो कर्मचारी जो जगह जगह गली और मोहल्ले के सड़कों सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं. समाज सेवा करने वाले लोग जो जरूरतमंदों को की मदद कर रहे हैं. सारे सच्चे योद्धाओं को मेरा सप्रेम नमस्कार, जो इस कोरोना के महामारी में लड़ने में हम सबकी मदद कर रहे हैं. धन्यवाद.
Now we will see the short glimpses of the videos made by our committee. So now we'll see on behind every strong police officer, there's an even stronger family who stands by them, supports them, and loves them with all their heart. Doctors. God cannot be everywhere, so he sent the doctors with excellence and selflessness. The social workers' role in advocating social services during COVID-19 has remained open and adapt to the conditions, which has largely been successful.
Despite of this pandemic, the Corona warriors have been working really hard and sacrificing really too much. I would really thank them all. I would like to thank them all on all our behalves to be helping us so much. Now we have come to the end of the juncture. I would like Samita ma'am to continue and end this event.
Samita ma'am,
Ma'am, unmute.
Samita ma'am, you are on mute mode, ma'am. Kindly unmute yourself.
I take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks. Now, first of all, my sincere thanks goes to our principal madam, whose consistent inspiration has motivated us to take up this project. Secondly, my sincere thanks goes to our respected management of college management, who has provided us enough support and the various kinds of advantages. I sincerely express my gratitude and thank to our chairperson, Dr. Vanita Isamani, whose consistent support has promoted us this motivation to conduct this kind of program. My great and sincere thanks goes to Vaishali Madam, whose sincere effort and she is regarded as one of the pillars of our college, without whose contribution this program would not have been possible. My also sincere thanks goes to Aarti Madam, who has also contributed in this program. Last but not the least, our students of WDC members, everybody has contributed to make this program and event successful. My special thanks goes to Ronak and Rashi, without whom and without whose contribution today's event would not have been possible. And also, I extend my a great contribution, and also I extend my wholeheartedness and also gratitude to all the members, to all the teachers of WDEC to make this event a great success. Thank you to all once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
I request everyone to kindly switch on your videos so that we can take
हाँ,
a snap for memory.
videos on कर रहा हूँ.
Can you see
Everyone.
me, ma'am? Vaishali, ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
निशांत
Yes,
सर वीडियो
Ronak,
ऑन करो.
go ahead.
हाँ मैम, सबने वीडियो ऑन नहीं किया, इसके लिए 2 मिनट रुका दो. हो गया मैम, डन.
Done?
यस मैम. Done, ma'am.
You can end the session, Ronak.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for coming and attending this.
Thank you.